This 5-minute solution will show you how to add music to Facebook profile. It's super easy process to add a music to our Facebook profile. Just follow these easy steps. Go ahead and launch the Facebook app. Sign into your Facebook account. Now open your Facebook profile and tap on Edit Profile. Here scroll down. Again tap on Edit Your About Info. And here scroll down. And here you will get this Add Music option. Tap on that. Now tap on this plus icon at the top right. Now tap on this search music box. And here you can search for any music. And here you will get your search results. Now from this list you can add any music. And to play a music, tap on this play button next to the music. And now to add any music, just tap on the music that you want to add. That's how you'll be able to add multiple musics to your profile. Once your music selected, tap on cancel, tap on cross, and here as you can see musics are added to my profile. So this is how we can actually add musics to our Facebook profile. And to delete or remove any music, tap on this three dot and tap on delete song from profile. And to add a music from your profile to your story, tap on this three dot, tap on add to story. Also you can pin any music to your profile by tapping on pin to profile. So this is how actually add music to Facebook profile. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.